Hey guys, just wanted to make a little video on my 6 litre caprice here. I've just put J pipes on it and I wanted to show you guys what it sounds like, because there are people out there saying that J pipes are too loud and illegal and all that kind of stuff. So I got my caprice here, I'll start it up, go for a little drive up and down the street so you can see what it actually sounds like. So the J pipes come with these cool tips. Looks exactly like the original, so pretty happy with that. And we've got the pipes in there, nice and neat, bolt up exactly as original, don't stick out, isn't hanging low. So I'll start it up. Alright guys, I'll give you a sound from inside the cabin. Listen to that. Sunny's on. Go for a blast up to the racetrack. Nice and quiet inside the cab, no droning, just a nice rumble from that V8. Put our foot down here in the 80 zone. That is a beautiful sound. Top gear, no drone. Motorsport Park, just up the road. We'll do a U-turn here and head back. Cruising at 100, still nice and quiet, no drone, just a little bit of note coming out the rear. Yeah, baby. So bang for buck, you can't go past J pipes. Get a set, whack them on. If you don't like them, sell them or just throw them in the back of the shed. They're not expensive, but the sound you get, oh, I tell you what, I love it. So I'll just do a little walk around of the Caprice, show you what we're dealing with. So anyone wanting awesome sound for their 6 litre Holden, go for the J pipes. They're cheap, they sound awesome, they took me about half an hour to fit.